Who's gonna actually say it? Maury or me, or who's gonna say it?
I'll say the first one. Actually, I don't want to pretend like I know what I'm talking about.
I'll say the first one.
All right.
We're not gonna lie.
Yeah, give me a second.
Blickman.
That was a weak sauce.
Because you're like, oh, we got to ferment for 2 weeks. What do you do in the meantime? Well, you try to mooch free beers from your homies.
Yep.
Can you hear?
Yep.
Does it sound good?
Casey was drinking margaritas yesterday.
Oh, a little echoey if you're closer.
We're going to close the garage door. Okay. We're going to turn that off. What?
You guys got to get out of here. It's a private property.
Kettle sour.
You can kettle sour.
You can sous vide steaks.
You can sous vide steaks.
You can do a crawfish boil.
You can do a crawfish boil. Oh. You can read me my lines like Maury is. Hold on, roller.
Now we're rolling.
Gotta fix it. We're rolling?
Fix it over.
There you go. Perfect. Dude, that's the best spot right there, Josh. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Score!
This is the labor of love, isn't it? I said, absolutely.
Nice hat, dude. You look like Woody Harrelson from White Man Can't Jump.
Really?
Yeah. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Ready when you are.
It's like setting up an aquarium.
Could you use a fish pump for...
This is seriously the same pump I used to have on my saltwater tank.
Really?
Yeah. I had a bigger version of that.
Testicles, spectacles, water, and watch.
Is the Y-Claw on the shot?
No.
I'm not gonna lie. Blickman sent us this video in exchange for... Blickman sent us a video. I'm not gonna lie. We're not gonna lie. Blickman sent us this fermenter in exchange for...
fermenter.
Fuck! And then go like...
Sam Raimi shot.
That was a good one. Creepy is good. Creepy is good. What's going on, brother? You are the man, dude.
How you doing, man?
Thank you so much.
I'm like 50.
All right, ready when you are, man. Slam City.
Is there like a
3, 2, 1. Are you nervous? You can chug beers, right?
Find out.
Give me a sec. You're good.
We're gonna make this video as honest as possible. Because I fucking hate salesmen. But if you need t-shirts, go to homebrewforlife.com and buy.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Nice.
Rolling.
Someone's eating well.
Go for it.
And we're gonna be honest as possible, because I fucking hate salesmen. How'd that sound?
Perfect.
Are you sick of buying more yeast packets than you need?
Are you sick of buying more yeast packets than you need?
Win.
3, 2, 1. Are you frustrated brewing and not hitting your final gravity? Are you frustrated with brewing because you're not hitting your final gravity? Taking it out on your dog, divorcing your wife, going skinny dipping with your dad? It's too dirty. Yeah.
How uncooperative I am.
That was kind of cool. Just like
Just chilling. Staring at
studying.
Whenever you're ready.
More mandatory beer shot!
This is a fun experiment. That's
You gotta drink it.
You know, it's just audio. So.
Just audio?
Yeah.
One, two, three.
You gotta drink longer than that. Sound check went good. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. What's the game plan if you have two shitty sides? Just where it's darker, I guess. We've been on a sick one ever since the apocalypse. We've been out of work, but we're not just gonna sit and twirl our fingers while we jerk each other off in the dark. Nope. We're gonna put out content like there's no tomorrow, fam. And we're gonna collect unemployment. The world's kind of ugly right now, but be glad that we live in a country that has stimulus checks and unemployment, because it would be way worse if that stuff didn't exist. But that's what Homebrew for Life is all about. To get away from the world. Take the weight of the world off your shoulders. It's your sauna. It's your favorite fishing spot when the water is calm. It's your favorite dive bar with your favorite bartender. It's you being the only one up at 5 a.m. in the morning. It's skinny dipping with your uncles. All right, enough of my shitty face. We've been on a good one so far, and we have lived up to our word from what we said at the beginning of the year. Quick little recap of our recent videos. Yeast starter video, check this out if you want to increase your yeast cells for better fermentation. Homebrew grain mill video, the do's and don'ts if you want to add a mill to your brew house. Beersmith tutorial, awesome beer recipe software for creating and saving beer recipes. Roast homebrew grain at home. This was when the apocalypse scare was at an all-time high. Come to think of it, you probably don't need to watch this video. Homebrew stores are probably open these days. Corny keg maintenance. How to not only clean a keg, but clean your dip tubes, unclog them. Circumcise your dip tube for crispy clear homebrew. Fam? Kavik yeast, Kavik. Everyone says it differently. How to ferment beers in 24 hours. I'll be using Kavik yeast probably a lot from here on out. And our mead video with Vince from Twisted Horn. The good thing about mead is that it lasts forever. I think our mead was like 13%. When we made the Kavik video, we literally drank the batch of beer that day. We had like four or five people come over, maybe a little bit more, and everybody drank like a gallon of beer. I probably had 2 gallons. Mead is delicious, it's easier to make than beer, and I recommend making mead if you have patience. And I'll throw all the links to these videos in the description below. Quick little apologies. I kind of blew it in a previous video where I gave people shout outs to people who have purchased shirts from Homebrew for Life. I used their first names. I used whatever showed up on their mailing list, their first and last, and their whatever shows up when you mail something out. I don't think most people get rubbed the wrong way for that. I think mostly people appreciate that, but I know there's a couple people out there that are probably pretty bummed that you used their first and last name. Hence why most people don't do it for, you know, Instagram and Twitter. You kind of make something up. It's kind of like your AOL screen name. With that, if you're down to be in a video, send us a pic, tag us in the pic, Instagram, Facebook, or DM us on Facebook, Twitter. We're really easy to get a hold of. And that kind of gives me, like, you signed the virtual waiver if we can use that and give you guys shout outs, because we appreciate it. Again, apologies if I used anybody's first or last name in that video. I'm not going to talk about it any more than that. It's just what shows up on USPS, and I wasn't thinking at the time. That's it. We're going to get on a sick one right now with our new kettle sour machine. A lot of sour videos coming up. Thank you for watching. Cheers to eating good and drinking good. And I do recommend this beer. This is Alpine. This it's called the Nelson. I think the Duet tastes better, but this is a really good beer nonetheless. And that's it. Have a good weekend, guys. Happy Friday.